Why does position sizing matter in trading? Some might shrug this off as a trivial aspect, but in reality, it is a cornerstone that can make or break a trading strategy. Position sizing is the process of deciding how much of your total portfolio you will risk on any single trade. It's not about how many shares or contracts you buy, but rather about how much of your capital you're willing to put on the line. This seemingly simple decision carries a significant weight in determining the risk and potential profit of your trades. Picture this: you have a portfolio worth $100,000. You decide to risk 2% of it on a single trade. That's $2,000 at stake. If the trade goes south, you're only down by 2%. That's manageable, isn't it? But what if you had risked 10% or 20%? The losses would be much harder to recover from. That's the beauty of position sizing. It helps to manage risk, to limit the potential downside, and to ensure that a single bad trade doesn't wipe out your portfolio. It's all about balance and control. Think about it. Even the most successful traders don't win on every trade. They have losses. But by properly sizing their positions, they ensure that the losses are manageable and don't derail their overall strategy. Position sizing also allows you to be consistent. It helps you to maintain a level-headed approach rather than swinging from extreme caution to reckless risk-taking. It can keep you grounded when the market is volatile and emotions are running high. So how does one determine the right position size? It depends on a few factors: the size of your portfolio, your risk tolerance, and your trading strategy. Some traders use a fixed percentage, like the 2% rule. Others use a formula based on the volatility of the stock or contract they're trading. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's a personal decision that should align with your overall trading goals. In summary, position sizing is a critical component of successful trading. It helps to manage risk, to maintain consistency, and to keep emotions in check. It's not just about how much you can make on a trade, but also about how much you can afford to lose. Remember, in trading, survival is just as important as profit. So, next time you're about to place a trade, ask yourself, have you considered your position size? Is it in line with your risk tolerance and trading strategy? If not, it might be time to give it a second thought. Because in the world of trading, it's often the small decisions that can have the biggest impact.